I just replaced this contactor in an ice cream machine. It's a Schnider electric all industrial DIN mount, you know. And its coil is dead shorted. This is a 24 volt contactor. The coil is dead shorted. It's not super common, so I'd like to take this one apart and find out what the hell happened. I don't really know how to take it apart though, so I'm just gonna wing it. There's the coil. And it just falls right out. And here's the coil. Look at that thick wire. And look what's happened to it. It's all bubbled up. So it dead shorted because the insulation melted. I'll hand it to him this though. That sure was easy to take apart. Up here, contacts. This wasn't about the contacts. I just wanted to show off this burnt coil because the Schnider 24 volt contactor with this enormous thick wire couldn't handle 24 volts continuously and it melted.